focus vision. Decorated frontline soldier, West Coast division. Plotting on some millions, getting rich off of poor decisions. Charge the whip, I gone green, but my rag still like my phone battery on low percentage. Sit and watch me ball like an open scrimmage. And your feelings call the dentist. Eating off my plate, nah nigga, put your off in it. Nothing less than 7 figures. I'ma get my chicken, get my cheese, and get my chili. Treat my 9 to 5 like my hustle, and my hustle like my 9 to 5. My nigga Shy told me Q go get him. I obliged to find eyes from the bottom, about to reach heights high as God. Approaching thrones, pushing kings out like lion mounds. Firebomb, cause this flame caused destruction. I rearrange your deck like I'm shuffling. These crabs in the barrel, they usually come by the clusters. Crack 'em with my hands, see garlic butter and dunk 'em. Busters. These leech ass bitches ain't getting money from no hustlers.
Far from home, all alone, can't let the team down. SC, MLK, you got a dream now. Students and dreamers, plot schemers, and hella fiends round. Street soldiers, young ho stroke, figure roll on my surroundings. Destruction all around me, heart pounding, palms itching, money counting. I paid dues and made moves, so the stage grew. Lame dudes with fake moves, still I stayed true. Repetition, this decision was never glamorous. Competition, no, these bitches could never handle this. Can't believe it. Last weekend they killed a Compton diva. Rest in peace, young queen. See you when I see you. Fly high with the souls of all the other soldiers. God's hands, hope your whole fam can reach to hold them. Real pain, the still stains bleed on beats now. Deal game, cause we can't let the streets down. Word pusher, dope dealer, track killers. Real rap, stone cold poetry, soul spillers.
They one man or one woman that's more realer,
It's that West Coast shit, nigga. Quincey, what up?
What's happening?
YaH-Ra,
The 7.
One Sorry Princess, Southern California living.
What we doing?
Standing on business. 25 till infinity, nigga.
We on your fucking neck.
Yeah. Feels good.
Don't it? Python P, what's happening?